Remember, as I always say, when you're on stage, it doesn't matter if you're alone or in a group, the audience is looking at you. That's what you need to be thinking in your head. Watching, observation, and listening, okay? Do as I do. At SKIS, we provide a range of extracurricular activities, and the musical theater workshop is one of the most popular choices amongst our students. And to be honest, there's no real surprise why. Musical theater is a style of performance that combines singing, dance, and drama. At SKIS, it is also a medium of after-school activity which generates far-reaching benefits for students' confidence, problem-solving skills, and creative abilities. Many of our students have discovered a hidden talent for dance, drama, or acting they never knew they had. Working as an ensemble forges friendships, compassion, and trust to one another's peers. Acting out scenes from different situations, time periods, and cultures promotes compassion and tolerance for others. Moreover, as we organize large-scale performances twice a year, students get to participate in all the aspects of organization for upcoming events, from creative interpretation of the storyline, division of roles, and directing work to creation of decoration, costume, and guest management. Such multi-sided experiences foster their problem-solving skills and encourage innovation and out-of-the-box thinking, the skills that lead to greater adaptability later on in life. Currently, we're preparing for a new play, The Lion King, to be set in April. We must remember that theater is an activity that puts the student in an uncomfortable situation deliberately to create that space for growth. What we try to do is to put them in a situation of discomfort to allow them to produce something creative and beautiful and possibly engaging out of the other end of that process.
Schloss Krumbach International School.